Let's go get that money.
Come on, I hope they have the Hawks game on.
Yeah, it looks like we got several emails here.
There we go, ESPN Plus.
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hi guys.
I didn't see you come in.
How you doing?
Thanks for dropping in or catching us having cocktails here in our living room.
We are at the Ameristar Hotel and Casino in St. Charles, Missouri. It's just like home. We love it here. This is probably our favorite place to come to, isn't it?
It's the closest thing we have to a Vegas hotel and a casino.
Yep.
But we'll give you a room review. Check out this ride-in. Beautiful ride-in. It sits right on the Missouri River.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful
it is.
hotel as you drive up. This room is all their rooms are a suite, right? Mm-hmm. Except they do have deluxe suites with the jacuzzis and
Yeah, it's like kind of like a mini penthouse.
yeah, they're pretty swanky.
Rooms.
We stayed in there one time, but we're just in a regular suite this time. We'll give you the walk around and
Yeah,
show
all their rooms here are they're all set up just like this. We haven't ever stayed at the Venetian, but we've been told that the Ameristar rooms are kind of similar to the Venetian because Venetian rooms are kind of suite set up like this too. So
Yeah, this is a sunken living room. You'll see. Granny's going to give you the walk around and check it out.
Yeah.
So here you go.
Here we go. Enjoy. Okay, guys, this is the sunken living room. This is absolutely wonderful. We enjoy having the two sections in here. Couch sitting area. It's just great having your space, not just a place to come in and sleep. It does come equipped with the refrigerator. Refrigerator is over here. We have our stuff in there. Pretty cool refrigerator. It seems to be keeping things cool. And it does have a coffee maker. I was kind of surprised to see this, but it looks all nice and clean, so I'm good with that.
And the room smelled very clean when we came in.
Yeah,
also.
it did. Yes, it sure
We
did.
also have a little bar area. Granny and Dice like to travel with beverages.
Yeah, we like to have our beverages.
Big screen.
Good TV. We've never had an issue with the
Nice
TV.
work area.
Nice sitting area. Just a nice little living room area to have. Okay, then you come up the stairs, and this is your bedroom. We have a king-size, non-smoking. The beds are always comfortable. They're just so nice and firm. We like to have the firm beds. Very, very nice. The safe is over here. So there is the safe. And over here is your dresser, and with another TV. And this is always nice to, have it up here too. And you have your dresser to put your clothes in if you wish to. Then come on, there's more to show. And here is the closet area.
What's that blue thing?
That's the ironing board, dear.
I've never seen you use one of those.
No, I don't. I always buy clothes where I don't have to iron. But it does come with the ironing board and the iron in there and your hangers and stuff. And then the bathroom is to die for.
To die?
To die for. This is my favorite. Double sink. Gotta have a double sink. Isn't her sinks?
Yeah, Dice has a tendency to get some hair everywhere.
Yeah. 2 cent. You and Hog are watching. Yes, I bring Lysol too. It's been sprayed everywhere. soaker tub, and an outstanding shower. We've never had a problem. The water pressure here is great. We've never had an issue with that. And Dice is in the shitter area.
Let me turn around and get a view of the crapola.
There you go.
Roomy, very roomy bathroom. Yes, dear.
Oh, let's see. Yes, there is a hairdryer.
Standard. A little bit of artwork while you're doing your business. Hairdryer.
They did tell me at check-in that they are not doing housekeeping. So if you do need bath towels, soap, shampoo, accessories, you just call down to the front desk and you go down and pick them up down there. So it's just like any other hotel during the pandemic. They're not doing any of the housekeeping. Nobody is coming into our room while we're here our 2 nights, so that's nice to know too. But this place is just, we've been coming here for years, and this is by far the best hotel and casino that we've been to in our area. It's just total Vegas atmosphere. And you'll see in our future videos while we're here, the pool, the restaurants, it's just overall, you'll understand after you see it all. So, with that, let's do one more final recap so everybody can check it out. We highly, highly recommend it.
This is a Boyd's property.
Yes, it is. It is a Boyd's property. So your Be Connected card that you use here will help with your points out in Vegas if you if you go to the Fremont, any of the Boyd's properties out in Vegas. You can use your points out there too. So this is our review of the Ameristar Hotel in St. Charles, Missouri. And if you have any questions about it, please put them in the comments below and I will get back with you. Other than that, we hope you have enjoyed the view.
Check out this view at night.
Thanks guys for watching, and as Gamblin Granny always says, let's go get that money.